Welcome back, fellow geniuses. Masters of the universe who knew the ins and outs of the human experience. Unlike these science nerds, am I right? These guys doing dead science. Raw chicken is the best.
Show me the study though.
Can't use your own common sense, huh? Like, just think about back in the days, all these natural people, they were the masters of their environment, and they knew what was going on inside of them way better than we do. They knew how to prepare all these foods, all these things, what was good, what was not. They didn't need any studies. We are so lost. The answers are always pretty simple, but we make them so complicated because we are so far gone. And it's scary to go back. So we have to cling on to everything. Think about these people didn't know anything about the vitamins, the minerals, the different amino acids. They didn't know anything about creatine even. Did they even lift, bro? Stupid people. But they were the kings of being content who they are. We knew this and that. We have this knowledge and that knowledge. While everybody's mentally ill, all fucked up, physically and mentally. One interesting thing about the studies, there can be good studies also, but there's just too much corruption going on, too much greed, too much dollar bill, y'all, too much scream going on. The thing about it is, there's so few studies, for example, about the natural things, like raw meat, for example. There's no diet or no studies about that. Even though people have always eaten quite a bit of raw meat, all different cultures around the world. Are we not interested about doing studies on that? That's that caveman shit. But I get it. People are walking around with so much brain fog these days that they don't got their common sense anymore. That people used to go. So they need other people to tell them what's going on. They need these false idols to worship because they're so lost themselves. That's basically religion, spirituality, science, all in one, dunk. These people are searching for answers, when in reality the answers are really inside of us all. But nobody got the skills anymore or the will to do it. To take a look under the hood. Maybe they're just too weak. And also, everything affects everything. When you're weak, you do busy bee, doing their business. You stress the fuck out by the modern society. You don't got no time for some stupid ass introspection. Who got time for that shit? To learn the secrets of the universe? I'd rather watch this scam artist, this guru, tell me what the fuck is going on. I'd rather read this study, that study. People like that who are so into studies, they always seem so miserable. To be honest. It's never the beautiful people that are killing it in life. It's never those guys. They got those nature, God's given gifts. I owe everything to God. They got that. They don't give a fuck about your studies. Yeah. It's so simple, but there's so many things making it a bit more complex. So many things to understand, so many traps to fall into. So many illusions to walk through, to break free from the hypnosis. Break free from the spells we are put under. Most people doing that stanky leg under those spells every single day. Those legs get real weak and shaky. Yeah, it's pretty amazing how lost human beings are in today's modern civilization. But it is pretty fun to try to break people free from it. There's nothing better to really do anymore. Although eating raw meat or raw chicken, that's a pretty good one. Raw chicken forever. See you in the next one. God bless.